Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will start with next session of how big and how heavy. Packing cubes. Ganesh and Dinga want to pack 4000 centimeters cube in boxes. These are to be sent to a school. There are 3 different boxes available for packing. As you see in the picture, box A is 20 centimeter wide, 10 centimeter long and 6 centimeter in height. Same way B 11 centimeter by 11 centimeter and 10 centimeter in height. C in 15 centimeter by 9 centimeter and 10 centimeter in height. Dinga says, will we be able to fit all 4000 cubes in these 3 boxes? I think we need one more box for it. Ganesh said, I think there is enough space in these boxes to pack all 4000 cubes. So let us find out. For box A, 20 into 10, that is 200, into 6, that is equals to 1200. So in the first layer we can put 20 into 10 cubes, that is 200, and like that we can put 6 layers. So 200 into 6, that is equals to 1200. Then in box B, 11 by 11 means 121 in first layer, and like that we can put 10 layers in box B, that is 1210. And in box C, 15 into 9 into 10, so total 1350 boxes can be kept in box C. So what is your guess? Who is right? So how can Ganesh and Dinga test their guesses before packing the cubes in the boxes? Discuss with your friends. See what Ganesh is telling, that look at box A. In the first layer we can arrange 20 into 10 as we saw, equals to 200 cubes, and 6 such layers can be packed. So in a box A we can arrange 200 into 6, that is equals to 200 cubes, 1200 cubes. So 1200 cubic centimeter is less than 4000 cubic centimeters. So we have to find out for all 3. So use Ganesh's method and write. Dash centimeter cube can be arranged in box B. We have already done it, that is 1210. And dash centimeter cubes can arranged in box C. We have done that. We have also done that well. So that is 1350. So total 1200 plus 1210 plus 1350. So 3760 centimeter cubes in all can be packed in the 3 boxes. So Ganesh was wrong and Dinga was right. They will need one more box to pack that cubes. Which pipe fills more? Collect some old postcards. You can also use thick paper of size 14 by 9 centimeter. Fold the postcard along the width to make pipe 1. Join the ends with sellotape. Take another postcard and fold it along the length to make pipe 2. Join the ends with tape. Guess which pipe can take more sand inside it. Hold it on the plate and pour sand to check your guess. Was your guess correct? Discuss. See, this activity you are supposed to do by your on your own, but I'll tell you the answer, that second has more volume. So this second pipe will hold more sand. You can check the answer. In the same way, now do the same with another pipes shown here. To make a triangle shaped pipe 3, draw 2 lines on the postcard, fold the postcard along the lines, join the ends with tape. Now make square shaped pipe 4. Find out which pipe can take the most sand inside it. So which pipe has the most volume? So here also the square shaped pipe has more volume. It will hold more sand. Trek to Gangotri. The students of class 12th are going on a trek to Gangotri. They have to pack their bags for 6 days and keep them light. They also have to take things that do not take too much space. So they will look for things that have both less volume and less weight. After all, they will carry their own bags while climbing the mountains. They even dry the onion and tomatoes to make them light. 1 kilogram of onion or tomato becomes 100 gram when the water inside dries up. So the list of food each person will need for one day: rice 100 grams, flour atta 100 grams, pulses dal 1/3 of the weight of rice and flour, oil 50 gram, sugar 50 gram, milk powder 40 gram for tea, porridge and hot drink, tea around 10 gram, dalia 40 gram for breakfast, salt 5 grams, dried onion 10 grams, dried tomatoes 10 grams. So this is the list of food each person will need for one day. So for 6 days each person will need rice and flour. Let us find out. So rice and flour, here you can see in the list. For one day it is rice 100 gram, flour 100 grams. So total 200 gram. 100 plus 100, that is equals to 200 gram. So for 6 days 200 grams, that is equals to 1200 grams. Pulses, so here we can see 1/3 the weight of rice and flour. So the weight of rice and flour is 1200 gram. So 1/3 of weight of rice and flour equals to 400 grams. Dried onions, that is 10 grams. So 10 grams into 6 days, that is 60 grams. How much of fresh tomatoes should be dried for 6 days for 10 people? So dried tomatoes we need is 10 gram. So 6 days into 10 gram for 10 people, that is equals to 600 gram. So for, see, we have already read in the paragraph that 1 kilogram, if you dry 1 kilogram of fresh tomatoes, we get 100 gram of dried tomatoes. So for 600 gram we need 6 kilogram of fresh tomatoes should be dried for 6 days for 10 people. What is the total weight of food for 6 days in each person's bag? So here is the list: rice and flour 1200 gram, pulses 400 gram, dried onion 60 gram, oil 300 gram, sugar 300 gram, milk powder 240 grams, tea 60 gram, dalia 240 gram, salt 30 gram and dried tomatoes 60 gram. So total will be 2890 gram or 2 kilogram and 890 grams. How heavy am I? Do you remember the story of how Vedika's daughter found the weight of an elephant? Math Magic class 4th, page 143. If you remember, it's good. If you do not remember, then it is there in the card. Can you guess the weight of the heaviest animal on this earth? No, it's not me. I weigh only 5000 kilogram. It's the blue whale. Its weight is around 35 times more than me. So how many thousand kilogram does it weigh? So 35 times more means 35 multiplied by 5000. So the weight of blue whale is equals to 35 multiplied by 5000, that is equals to 1,75,000 kilograms. Guess how many children of your weight will be equal to weight of an elephant of 5000 kilogram. So let us assume that the weight of one child is 40 kilogram. You can find out from your weight also. So then the number of children equals to weight of an elephant is weight of an elephant divided by your weight, that is here we are taking 40. So 5000 divided by 40 is equals to 125 children. At birth, a baby elephant weighs around 90 kilogram. How much did you weigh when you were born? Find out how many times is a baby elephant heavier than you were at birth. Suppose at birth you were of 3 kilogram, right? So let us find out. Baby elephant weight 90 kilogram. My weight at the time of birth is equals to 3 kilogram. You may write your own answer. So baby elephant is 90 divided by 3, that is equals to 30 times heavier. If a grown up elephant eats 136 kilogram of food in a day, then it will eat around dash kilogram in a month. So see, I again tell you that if it is given, if it is not particularly said that it is month of January or a month of 31 days, you have to count 30 days for a month. So here we will find out food in a day is equals to 136 kilogram. Hence the food in a month is 136 multiplied by 30, that is equals to 4080 kilograms. Guess how much it will eat in 1 year. So for 1 year, see, we have answer for 1 month. So for 12 month, food in a year 4080 multiplied by 12, that is equals to 48,960. See, this answer is correct, right? But we can find the another answer which is more accurate, that is for 365 days. See, we have for 1 day, that is 136 multiplied by 365 days, that is equals to 49,640. Both the answers are correct. You can write any of it. Sahid saves the bank. Sahid works in a bank. He sits at the cash counter. Whenever there are too many coins, he does not count them. He just weighs them. Weighing is so much easier. The weight of a 5 rupee coin is 9 gram. Tell me the weight of the sack and I will tell you the number of coins in it. See how smart Sahid is. So can you hold these coins, that is 5 rupee, 2 rupee and 1 rupee coin? Which is the heaviest? Can you say that? My bag of 5 rupee coins weigh 9 kilogram. So how many coin does it have? Sahid replies, 1 kilogram is equals to 1000 gram. So 9 kilogram is equals to 9000 grams. If one coin weighs 9 gram, then the bag weighing 9000 gram has 9000 divided by 9, that is equals to 1000 coins in it. Isn't that easy? How many coins are there in a sack of 5 rupee coin if it weighs 18 kilogram? So 18 kilogram, if we convert it into grams, we'll get 18,000 grams, and 18,000 grams divided by 9 will get 2000 coins. Same way for 54 kilogram, if we convert it into grams, we'll get 54,000 grams divided by 9, that will be 6000 coins. 4500 grams divided by 9 will be 500 coins. Same way 2 kilograms and 250 grams, if we convert it into grams, 2250 grams will get 250 coins, and for E we will get 125 coins. A 2 rupee coin weighs 6 gram. What is the weight of a sack with 2200 coins? So for 2200 coins multiplied by 6 will get 13 kilogram and 200 grams. Same way for 3000 coins multiplied by 6 will get 18,000 grams, that is equals to 18 kilograms. If 101 rupee coins weigh 485 grams, then how much will 10,000 coins weigh? So 485 multiplied by 100, that is equals to 48 kilogram and 500 grams. So with your eyes closed, can you tell which is heavier, a 100 rupee note or a 50 rupee note? This may be difficult to say, but Sahid, who cannot see, has a better sense of touch than most people. Once Sahid noticed that a bundle of note which came to the bank felt different and heavier. He asked the manager to check. Other looked at it but found no problem. He insisted, and so a machine was bought to weigh it. It showed that the notes were fake, not real ones. Oh, Shahid, you really saved the bank, said everyone. So find out and discuss, how do people who cannot see and make out the different notes and coins? What should we look for to check if a 100 rupee note is real or fake? So the size, the shape, the number, the thread, security thread, shiny, it is shiny, and watermark. Most of the things should be checked. You can discuss it with your parents. So if you like the video, please hit the like button, and if you have not subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe the channel. Thank you and have a nice day.